Welcome to this channel. Are you dreaming of starting an online side hustle, but maybe you're worried that you lack the experience? You're not alone. Today I'm going to share with you some very powerful tips to help you get started even if you're a complete beginner. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please give the video a like. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get started. Let's start with tip number 1. Leverage your existing skills. First, take a look at the skills that you already have. You'd be very surprised how many of these can be transformed into a very profitable online side hustle. Maybe you can write well, or maybe you can offer freelance writing services on platforms like Upwork.com or Fiverr.com. For example, if you're good at graphic design, you can create logos and different graphics and sell them on websites like Etsy or 99designs.com. I suggest that you start small and build up your portfolio. Even if it's just a few pieces, having tangible work to show potential clients is invaluable. Don't underestimate the power of showcasing your abilities through a well-crafted LinkedIn profile or a personal website. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and so can you. Let's now move on to tip number 2. Utilize free resources and tools. The next thing I recommend you do is take advantage of the plethora of free resources that you can find available online. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and even YouTube offer countless tutorials that can help you learn many new skills or improve your existing ones. For instance, if you're interested in digital marketing, Google offers free courses that come with many certifications. I suggest that you use free tools to streamline your work. For example, Canva can help you create professional graphics without the need for expensive software. You can use tools such as Trello and Asana, which can help you manage your projects and stay organized, which is very important when balancing a side hustle with your main job. Let's now move on to tip number 3. Start with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great entry point for beginners. It involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale which is made through your referral link. You can start by joining affiliate programs from Amazon, ClickBank, or even individual companies that match your interests or your niche. I suggest that you create content around these products, such as blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media posts on Facebook and Instagram. For example, if you love fitness, you can review workout gear or supplements. By providing honest reviews and valuable insights, you can build some trust with your audience and increase your affiliate sales this way. Let's now move on to tip number 4. Join online marketplaces. Online marketplaces like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon offer many fantastic opportunities to sell products without the need for a physical store. If you're a crafty, consider selling handmade items on Etsy. Or if you prefer dropshipping, you can sell products directly from suppliers like Alibaba without holding any inventory on Amazon or even eBay. I recommend that you research what products are in high demand and then you find your niche. For example, during the pandemic, there was a huge surge in demand for home workout equipment. By staying up to date with trends and consumer needs, you can choose the right products to sell and to maximize your profits. Let's now move on to tip number 5. Build your online personal brand. I suggest that you focus on building your personal brand. Your brand is what sets you apart from the competition and helps to establish your identity in the digital world. I suggest that you start by creating consistent, highly valuable content on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or even TikTok or YouTube. These platforms are now very popular with short form content and will help you grow your online presence much quicker and help you build more brand awareness faster. I suggest that you share your journey, insights, and very valuable tips to help people in your niche solve problems, and this in turn will help you attract more followers. I also recommend that you engage with your audience on a regular basis. You can do this by responding to comments, and you can join relevant online communities and collaborate with other creators in your niche. For example, you can host a live Q&A session on Instagram or do a webinar on Zoom, and these things can help you connect with your audience on a much deeper level, which helps you to build more loyalty and trust. Let's now move on to tip number 6, identify your passion and your skill sets. I recommend that you check in with yourself and identify where you're passionate about and where your skill sets currently lie. Are you good at writing, graphic design, or maybe you have a knack for social media? Your side hustle should really align with your interests, which will help to keep you motivated. For example, if you love photography, I recommend that you consider selling your photos on stock websites, or you could offer freelance services. Once you've pinpointed your passion and your skills, I recommend that you research the market to find out what's in demand. You can use tools like the Google Trends or social media or even the Google Keyword Planner to see what people are talking about and what problems they need solving. This will help you align your side hustle idea with a real need in the marketplace, which further increases your chances of success. Let's now move on to tip number 7, start small and scale up. Don't be afraid to start small. You don't need a massive investment or a fancy professional website to get started. I recommend that you begin with a simple blog, an Etsy shop, or even a Fiverr profile to offer your online services. For example, if you're interested in content creation, I suggest that you start by writing articles for free or for a small fee to build up your portfolio and to gain some testimonials. As you gain more experience and some confidence, you can gradually scale up your operations. I recommend that you invest in better tools and expand your product range, or you could even hire a virtual assistant to help you with many of your online tasks. Remember, consistency and gradual improvement are the key to building a sustainable online business. Now, the next thing to do, click the link in the description box below this video and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com to explore our comprehensive online courses and resources. They're perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business and will help you generate an income online. So take action and click the link below now to learn more. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please give the video a thumbs up because that really does motivate me to create more great content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description box below this video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.